Partnerships are critical to any organization, in particular GTMI, because manufacturing by definition is an interdisciplinary activity.
Engaging with GTMI really has two major advantages or great opportunities. Number one, of course, is to understand and learn and integrate next generation technologies that we have here, that we're developing here. The second thing is the benefit of working with GTMI is getting that technology spun up and then actually having the workforce spun up simultaneously and integrated into your operations.
And this is what's happening currently. What are the needs of the industry and where is it going, so that we can actually map out where the industry is headed.
The unique value of partnering with GTMI is that we bring together students and faculty from across Georgia Tech, and it's a place where we can focus on how to move from innovation to adoption, which is a big challenge for companies as they're trying to adopt new manufacturing technologies.
My favorite aspect of partnering with GTMI is the collaboration. Collaborating with the creative minds and faculty at GTMI gives us the opportunity to not only test the technology that we have, but also learn from the creative minds that you have at Georgia Tech.
I did not expect to enter a consortium where they're proactively pulling people and manufacturers from the entire state and inviting them in to join the community of solving big problems for our defense and energy and med tech and batteries. It's just amazing.
It's a very collaborative environment, so everybody wants to help, everyone wants to get to know you. Their unique position in the manufacturing ecosystem in Georgia, where they're focusing on real-life problems.
If you're on the fence about partnering with GTMI, we'd love to bring you into the Advanced Manufacturing Pilot Facility. We'd love to introduce you to our graduate research assistants, to our faculty, and let you just hear from them why it's a really good idea, and that way you get a chance to see exactly what we can do for you and your company.